everybody, and welcome to the Clarksville. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this beautiful kid construction built home. This home has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths and comes in a little over 2,300 square feet. Downstairs you have this beautiful kitchen, formal dining room, and the living room. This home also has the options of a 3-car garage or a 2-car garage standard. So if you're ready, let's get started and see this beautiful home. All right, so we've moved upstairs in this beautiful kid construction built home. Again, the Clarksville 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. On the second floor, you're going to see the master suite that has 2 walk-in closets, a double vanity, a garden tub, and a walk-in shower. There's also 3 other bedrooms up here and a shared bath, as well as a laundry. So if you're ready to see the second floor, let's get started. All right, that completes our tour of the Clarksville. Again, this beautiful kid construction built home comes in at a little over 2,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. If you'd like to see this home, want to know where we're building it at, would like to do a walkthrough of it yourself, give us a call, 910-723-1477. And as always, have a great day.